Amri Helping Head Society pen Hanso Processing aputhak nikre pho amai kepajut pon. Lukin langso along Indeng 46 tara langso Pastoral Annual Conference kapaman pon. Nijang Karbi Anglong Amri Constituency ke Parlo Amkachi CFC Hall along Amri Helping Hand Society mai binolin thang chupi pen cipatir pi ponsi ke damtang arkoi silke pen patumian hanso katik ki pen ali ka cipalongji aput hak la pen ke hanso pen kicho ason hai hui kasimar pen angtan an ke jor pen ali ka cipalongji aphan siki kipi pijut pon la pen put thot jang millet model project amu tame keron pon lapen ke kipir ke thak asiki kipi labangso siki kipi Amri Helping Head Society pen patir pi pon sinarbar Assam Regional Asai Hem pen cerap lok pen patumi sai kacuti kiatum aphan kang thur asai among than ponsi jang jasemet narbar pen tame cerap dun hidung do pusi bendang air narbar DDM than pachini narbar pen isia project section do lake jang milen katik kiji aphan pusi DDM pen pachini Joseph Than Kanchan Jirsong Asong Director Diphu pen Jasemet jang milen katik ki pen ale kelongji aphan penang an alam than pon jang milen katik ki pen kosong si tangka kewangji lapen jang milen ko an eok epran aphan ke mei mate kensara ke so kelong atum aphan ke chonangji akenang sot akaprek akiso tame mei pusi than pachini pon ang par talabang so aputhak an so se ki phir ke thak abidi pen amang kitur kapa me pen chenglok mesin lapen emithang serang ram si ke thak aputhak tame mensing be handloom ST textile officer West Karbi Anglong pen than pachini pon labangso sai katik ki pen ale kelongji aphan jesemet hanso processing asiki kipi nikrip ho kipi atum sot kiri be Bachelor of Science Agriculture lapen miljeng ronghang Master of Science Agriculture atum pen ketangsi certificate tame ron ponlo lapen chief guest mensing be Gayan Textile Officer Jirsong Director Joseph DDM atum cetong donsi RDP pon.
We are trying to promote millet in Karbi Anglong. It is because of two reasons: to improve the health of all, especially women and children. Secondly, to earn additional income to improve their livelihood. And in this regard, the NABARD is supporting us and the people of Karbi Anglong to improve, to revive this crop for the benefit of the people. Last 1 year, we have initiated for 100 farmers. This year also we try to promote millet.
Da Pini ke no puthak mane pinna bangla skill updation puthak ta mane rok itum da hawar molom kisuman peke thak bomlo same kisuman madhara peke thak techniques jolang la so skill koson se akop anhi baung thuima sorlo tumba bas peke thak prote sorlo der galle so pinson na pe thak si so skill updation fan koson si kam kem naing ma ha puthak jini pini dak aching
My name is Bendang Ayer. I am the District Development Manager of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dimahaso districts. My organization is NABARD, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. And today we have inaugurated the model millet project for West Karbi Anglong district covering 50 beneficiaries. The inauguration of this model millet project is in continuation with the declaration of the year 2023 as the International Year of Millet by the United Nations. So under this project, we are helping the farmers not only to go for production of foxtail millets, but also we are looking at extending the necessary linkages, the value chain from production to processing to marketing, so that the income of the farmers.
Non biotang tonpen ajus nang tara langso pastorat ingdeng 46 annual conference lucin langso along kepadopon pining asengkan kecengsia ciklo mate arkoya ciklo niphai in koipen kecengsi nithom apharman langhin lucin langso st merit church along 46 annual conference kepamanpon labangso ingdeng 46 tara langso pastorat annual conference kepadopon athe pkn pon lake god the church for the god wall pusi and pon Lapen labangso ajai mek ningkan esek pen bangso conference kepaman pon langhin st merit church lucin langso along jothom nithom apharman mesen pen pachun pon labangso along ahin pen kewang munduli lapen kachop hapon tara langso pastor lapen prek jam anam akam claim atumta chitong donsi mesen pen ingdeng 46 tara langso pastorat annual conference pachun pon News Desk Report Public TV Karbi Anglong.
Putak nang di kanta ko kon farmasi itu nana pending kon nana so kanta.
Aprang se solang doa na pansta me nili tarlang so pastorate in church ahoy pen nale tum kado ka ve phan nengkan kimia kardom nilitum peneng dak langhin lake lucin langso Saint Mary Church amonduli alo engdeng plikabra truck nengkan isipen kapeman pon amaipi annual conference under Church of North India CNI along se peneng an ke itum nengkan ko engdeng plikabra truck anitum peman pon longlo lase laso at a conference along mate laso amaipi along nilitum dak team kibipon lake God Church for God's World arna mamondili ke arna mapirthia phanpu lase kedam tang tarik ingkoi pen Pini arni tarik ingkoi rathoman nitum nithom apharman se laso amai pi piman lo laso amai pi kapiman along nitum laso a team ateng se litum resource person atum phanchu hang pen se elitum laso mai along chithan pon lo Nasi elitum arnam amondili ke arnam apirthi aphan pu elitum kijong dam lake elitum Christian atum arnam apirthi mane la so apirthi aphan elitum Christian hoi pen ko peste elitum ke claim pinang jima